Okay, today we are talking about a Panasonic WhisperAir Repair air purifier. So just a quick disclaimer, Panasonic sent this device to me free of charge to try out. This is not a paid promotion. The opinions expressed in this video are my own. So you can see, do a quick Google search. This Panasonic WhisperAir Repair air purifier has an almost 5-star rating. So how does it work? The WhisperAir air purifier is a hydroxyl generator that removes foul odors and viruses from the air. There's no ductwork required, no filters required. This unit has a small fan that draws contaminated air into the unit. That contaminated air passes through the hydroxyl generator that effectively oxidizes or burns away contaminants in the air by applying high voltage to moisture in the air. Hydroxyl is abundant in nature and is referred to as nature's detergent because of its capacity to inhibit pollutants. Hydroxyl radicals contained in water are considered or characterized as being strongly oxidative and highly reactive. Third parties and the FDA have proven the effectiveness of hydroxyl generators, and the Panasonic WhisperAir Repair air purifier meets California Air Resources Board certification for producing ozone at a level safe for humans at concentrations no greater than 0.050 parts per million. Airborne hydroxyl radicals cannot penetrate our body due to the coexistence with them during evolution. The body cells have developed many enzymatic and non-enzymatic mechanisms to inactivate these radicals, the so-called antioxidant mechanisms. To be clear, hydroxyl generators are not the same thing as ozone generators. The EPA has denounced ozone devices because several scientific studies show they can be harmful to human health and ineffective at removing indoor air contaminants. That is why no federal agencies have approved ozone generators for use in occupied spaces. But these hydroxyl generators are approved for occupied spaces. They cost right around $140 to $200 plus or minus. You can see the specs here. The airflow rate is 9 CFM. They operate at 120 volt single phase. Power consumption is right around 4 watts. Relatively lightweight. Low noise level, less than 0.3 sones. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Here's a website you can go to for more in-depth information. Just a quick safety reminder, if you install this yourself, remember to turn off the power before hardwiring this unit in, and wear PPE. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. The model number is FV-01VCN1. And again, it's called WhisperAir Repair. And I'm actually going to try this out and install it in my own home. I'm interested in trying it out. Also, for a commercial office building that I maintain, there's 2 areas where I like to install one of these. Comes with an instruction manual. So to be clear, you don't want to install this in a high humid area, like in a swimming pool enclosure, indoor swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna. That's a no-go. Or in a bathroom with a bathtub or shower, because the excessive moisture in the air can actually affect this unit. You can install it in a half bath, which is what I plan on doing in our commercial office building that I maintain, where you just have a sink and a toilet. There's your J-box where you hook up your BX cable or your Romex. Comes with these adjustable mounting clips. When you tighten the 2 screws down, the clips will come down and press against the drywall and the ceiling to hold the unit in place. The cover simply clips on and clips off by lining up those 2 arrows. Woo! There's a little fan in there. So I'm going to partially take this apart so you can kind of see what the internal components look like. I'm not going to take it completely apart because, again, I don't want to risk causing damage to the unit because I'm going to use this myself in my own home. So again, you could use this in an office space, your home, a half bath, living room, dining room area, hallway, dorm room, elevator, lobby, etc. Hotel room, school room. I'm going to be using it near my kitchen because my kitchen does not have an exhaust fan that exhausts to the outside of my house. So my thinking is if I install this near my kitchen, if you're cooking something that has a strong aroma and you want to get rid of that aroma and you don't want the window open, say during the wintertime when it's below freezing, then this would be a great product to neutralize the cooking smells. This too, you don't want to install right above the stove, obviously, because the steam from cooking or the cooking oils can get up in the unit and cause damage. I'll take off this other cover. You can see it comes with your hot, neutral, and ground wires. There's a PC board. There's a fan motor.
Wow.
And these have been around, these hydroxyl generators, for several years. They're proven technology. They actually are used a lot in high-end automobiles as part of the HVAC system. And I'd always recommend you do your own research. You will find videos online where people try to talk negatively about hydroxyl generators. I think because people confuse hydroxyl generators with ozone generators. So again, just do your research from reputable sources so you can make an informed decision for yourself. But I feel confident and comfortable using this in my own home, around my own family, from all the research that I've done. And it comes with the instruction book, tells you how to install it, how to wire it. Even comes with a little template so you can cut out your 6-inch diameter circular hole. So I'm just going to punch out that knockout, put in this connector, and you can see I'm using BX cable, which is like a flexible cable. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Your black hot wires, black to black, your white neutral to the white neutral wire, and your green ground wire to the green ground wire. They do recommend running these 24/7. I'm going to wire mine into a switch on the wall so you can turn it on and off easily when you want. You could also install a programmable digital timer switch or a motion sensor switch. Again, everyone's situation is going to be unique. So simply make up your wire nut connections, tuck them neatly inside the little built-in junction box, resecure the little cover. Then I will connect it up in the ceiling to the wires coming to this unit from the switch on the wall. Again, you don't got to use BX cable like I did. You could use Romex. Just be sure to use a proper connector. Okay, so we got it wired up. Getting ready to install it inside our hole here. Then I'll just tighten those 2 screws gently, and you'll feel it grab. That'll hold it in place. And then we'll reattach the little cover, and we'll be good to go. I hope this information helps you.
Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.